Good morning. It's Monday. We're gonna go stump grinding. It's very windy. It's been windy all weekend. Like, very. It's actually, we're in a lull right now. But it's been like blowing. So all the tumbleweeds are ending up on my fence, and then my dog's gonna eat them and get sick. So I got to deal with that. But I did some mowing. I didn't do the whole thing. I just did some high spots. I started with the brush cutter on the skid steer and made a mess. That's, you know, like, what do you expect? But I wanted to use it because I love that attachment. And so after I started with that thing, I switched to the riding mower from John Deere, little buddy, and it ran pretty good. Gotta do a service on it. But yeah, kind of cool. Denver, Littleton, I think I have 4 stops. So we'll see you over there. The second stop is ripping out fence and grinding tons of big areas. That'll be a fun one. The first one's 2 really deep locust grinds, regrinds for a replant. We'll see you there. Everything was going good. I was way behind schedule, but everything was going good. And then Monday, boost tube or boost leak somewhere. Hopefully just an O-ring in between the pump and the motor. You're good. 852 is good, but yeah. I was hoping to not have to do all this tonight, but here we are. So I'm going to get to it and start trying to make stuff work, because tomorrow is supposed to be a pretty cool day, and right now it is not possible because it's way up in the mountains, so I need a truck, and I got to move debris, so I need a mini skid. So yeah, hopefully see you guys tomorrow. If not, just know I didn't have a good night. And then I'll see you on Wednesday. But hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Really hoping that we'll see you tomorrow. Later, guys. Have a great night.